everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be doing a 3-month review on the Songmont mini YORE duffel bag. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a handbag review. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider click the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone. How are you doing today? I got this bag back in, I think, November. So technically, I think it's like a 2-month review, but we're just gonna say 3 months because it's January 17th as I'm filming this. So we are more than halfway through January. So we're coming up on February. So it's like 2.5 months, but just for video's sake, we're gonna say 3 months. We're gonna do a review on this bag. And to be honest, I have used her quite a lot, so I do have a bit to say on this bag. So if you wanna see the review on the Songmont mini YORE duffel bag, then let's get started. First and foremost, I did do a unboxing of this bag. So if you have not seen the unboxing, I will link it down below so you can check that out and watch the full unboxing, and I'll show you what fits inside, all of that good stuff. On this video, I am mostly just gonna be going over like pros and cons and stuff. I will touch on what fits inside, but not as like in depth as I did in the unboxing video. So it's linked in the description for you. Let's start by the little overview of this bag. So this I did get from the Songmont website. This is one of their newest styles, not the newest, because I think the newest is called the Gather bag, which I think is also very cute. This is like the second to newest or third to newest. I'm not entirely sure, but I did get it directly from their website, and they do have a few different sizes of this bag. Yeah, the Gather bag literally looks like the Loewe Flamenco. Why do I love it though? Like, why do I kind of like this? I've never really been like a bucket bag type person, but like, why do I like this so much? And they have a suede one too. It's so cute. Okay, Kenzie, stop. That's not why we're here. Okay, I'm gonna do a screen recording and put it off to the side so you can see. So they have a few different versions of this bag. So the small YORE hobo style, it's more like a slouchy kind of like hobo bag style. And then they have the small YORE duffel bag. They have a medium one. They have a medium hobo style. And then they have a camera bag as well, because I was between this one that I got and the camera bag when I was looking at it. The camera bag is also so cute. And then here is mine, the mini YORE duffel bag. They have this brown color and they also have black. This is in the color Sandal, and then it is $435 for this bag, which for this bag that is full leather, I don't think that is like a really bad price point by any means. It is vegetable tanned leather. The lining is fabric on the inside. It does have stainless steel hardware, but I think it's like either brushed or coated in something, so it does kind of give a brushed gold hardware look. Should I take off my little charms on here so you can like fully see the bag? Is that annoying? Let me just take that off really quick, because I love my little charms, but you may not be able to see the bag very good. Okay, here we go. Here is what the front looks like. I love the type of leather that this is, like the vegetable tan leather. I like how crinkly it is. It just gives the bag a different type of vibe. Here is the side. This is where the crossbody strap would go. No, it's not. I don't know what that's for. Maybe just for decoration, I'm not sure. But the crossbody strap, it does come with one. I don't think I even have it here with me, but there's the back. And then it does have this cute little detail, this little circle. I don't know, maybe like a tiny little charm. And then it also has this pocket in the front, and you're probably looking at it being like, Kenzie, that's not a pocket. It is actually. You can open this up. This is so crazy. You can open this up and like put stuff in there. Like you can like put your AirPods or something in there. It's a full-on pocket. The dimensions, let's go over dimensions. It is 8.27 inches long, 3.94 inches high, and then 5.12 inches in depth. It also has one of these doodads that I feel like everybody is coming out with now. I don't know why this is so popular. I guess it's just to keep the straps together if you wanted to keep it together, you could do that. It has one of those. I don't see the point in this, to be honest. I never use this. Maybe there's some kind of functionality to it that I'm just missing. So if you know why people do this, why they have this on like every bag now, let me know, because that just kind of makes it hard to carry. I don't know. It just kind of gets in the way. So I always just have this kind of off to the side like that. If you can see on the handles right here, it does have a really pretty contrasted white stitching that I think is so pretty. It's not around the entire bag, but just like the top part. I think it's so pretty. And then it does have a zipper closure. You can see right there. But before we actually get to the inside, I want to show you another really cool feature of this bag. So we have this fun little hidden pocket, and then at the back right here, we have a separate hidden pocket. And this one is like really spacious as well. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, look at that. Separate hidden pocket, and it's so big. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can fit your whole phone in there, like your whole iPhone. And I imagine it could fit the 16 as well. I don't have the 16, but I imagine it could fit the 16 too. If you're somebody that likes to carry your phone in your bag, perfect bag to do so. I don't usually ever carry my phone in my bag, so I usually use that compartment for like feminine products, receipts, stuff like that, small stuff. There's the overview. There is a crossbody strap. Again, I don't have it with me. I don't even know where it is. I never wear this bag crossbody. I usually only wear a top handle. It basically looks the same as the bag and it's the same color and everything, but the adjustable strap length is 38.98 inches. That's the shortest setting, and then the longest setting is 45.28 inches. So you can adjust it quite a lot. Let's talk about like pros and cons. I'm just gonna come out and say it here. So if you're looking in this video for me to like spill the tea on this bag or something, or tell you all the reasons why I hate it, you're just not gonna find that here, unfortunately, because I am obsessed with this bag. I love this bag to literal pieces. So we're pretty much only gonna talk about one con, okay? And I'll just save that for the end. So I'm gonna start with all of the pros when it comes to this handbag. Number one, being the shape, okay? I am obsessed with the Miu Miu Arcady bag, the suede one in particular, and I just wanted a bag that looks like this for quite some time because I love the east-west vibe of this bag. I love east-west style anyways. It's like one of my favorite styles. And this reminds me of the Miu Miu Arcady bag a lot. I think they did have a suede one as well, and I really wanted to get the suede, but then I was like, by the time I had bought this bag, we were already pretty much into like full-on winter. I ended up getting the leather one, and I'm actually really glad that I did. I love the look of this leather. I think it is so fun. I like that it's kind of crinkly, but it's not patent or anything, and it's not like full-on crinkle leather. Like sometimes you see bags that have like a crinkle leather effect. That is not this. I think this is just what happens to the leather when it's vegetable tanned. I love the look of it. I love the shape. I love all of the little bits and bobs, the little hidden compartments. I love this hidden back pocket. You have no idea how much use I get out of that. I also love that it is secure, so you do have a full zipper all the way across the top, and of course it's very buttery smooth. You have a really long pull tassel, which I don't think you need it to be that long, but if you wanted it to be, you know, it is. Here is what it looks like on the inside. It is basically just a fabric lined interior. I'm currently using this. This is like my everyday bag right now, so all of my stuff is in here. Let me go ahead and just take my stuff out so you can see fully. It does have one pocket on the inside right here if you wanted to put anything in there. I don't typically ever use interior pockets in bags. I just kind of put my stuff in here. So if you are someone that uses the interior pocket, you do have that option. One of my personal favorite things about this bag is that it is so roomy. It is so spacious on the inside. Like, I do not have, right now I'm not carrying very much just because on an everyday basis I don't typically carry a ton of stuff. So I have my mini pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton, I have my wallet, I have my AirPods, and that's really about it. That's pretty much all I carry on like a day-to-day basis. But I could fit so much more in here if I wanted to. Like I could fit a full-on sunglasses case, I could fit like a really small umbrella, maybe not everything all at the same time. If I took out the mini pochette accessoire, I could swap it out for like a small umbrella or something. You could totally fit a water bottle in this as well. I just love how roomy and spacious it is on the inside. I never have any issue with like fitting my essentials in this bag, of course, because it is like a duffel bag style. It is pretty roomy. Another really nice thing that you never see in like actual like luxury brands, I would consider this to be more of like a contemporary luxury brand, but it has feet. It has amazing, beautiful gold feet that I love, and I just love the fact that Songmont still has this much attention to detail and still gives us feet on their bags. I love that because you'd be hard pressed to see feet on any like Louis Vuitton bag or Chanel bag or Gucci bag. It just doesn't happen. I don't even think the Louis Vuitton Capucines has feet. And it's like their tippy top, like it's like their Birkin from Louis Vuitton. So it's stupid. A lot of these other luxury fashion houses are not giving us feet on our bags. They're like, no, the bottom of your bag can just get ruined, it's fine. I love that it's very casual. This is a pretty casual bag in my opinion. I don't think that I would ever carry this like out to dinner or something. You could, by all means, do what you want. It would absolutely work. But I do have other bags that I would normally carry with me to like dinner or to a more fancy event. But this is like a perfect everyday bag, grab and go. You can do a crossbody. Also, by the way, I know I don't have the crossbody strap, but right here on the bag, right there, is where the crossbody strap would go. And then on the other side, it's right there. That's where you would hook on the crossbody strap. And it's really nice. Like I have worn this crossbody once and it was great. No complaints. I just like a good top handle. I just like the look of it top handle. I don't know why. I think it's just so cute. It does have these little flaps right here that kind of come out of the bag. You can push it on the inside. I don't know what this is, honestly, because I was thinking, oh, maybe you could put this in here, but it's too short. So I don't know why that's there, but it does have a little loop on the inside of the bag, so you can just put it back inside. Same with this one. It has a little extra leather right there. I don't know what these are for. Genuinely, if anybody knows what these are for, please tell me. I don't know if it's just for decoration or if it serves some kind of purpose that I'm just missing. I also just love the quality of this bag. You can tell this bag was made very well. There's no missing stitches or pop stitches or anything wrong with the stitching in general. This bag, you can just tell it's quite sturdy. I'm not gonna have to worry about this bag like breaking a stitch and coming apart on me. But like I was saying, I think this is a perfect everyday bag if you're out, you know, running errands, if you go to the grocery store, go to UPS, go to, I don't know, Pilates or something. Perfect bag. You could even have this as like a very small kind of workout bag if you needed to. Carry your socks, carry like a little, I don't know, whatever people carry to work out. I don't really go to the gym. But yeah, you could carry pretty much anything you needed to in this bag as long as it's not like super big. My only con when it comes to this bag is I know that I love the leather. I think this is great, and this is just probably just a me thing. I don't know if this could happen, but with it being so smooth and with the leather being kind of shiny like this, I don't know if this would be easy to scratch. I haven't scratched it yet, thank God. It kind of does feel thin, like not in a bad way though. Like it doesn't feel like it's bad quality, but the leather just feels a little bit on the thin side. So I don't know if I rubbed up against something by accident, or I just don't know if it would scratch easily. That's my only issue. If you've had this bag for a long time, let me know if you've had any issues with it getting scratches or anything. I still don't baby this bag by any means, but that has just been my only concern. So let me know if you've had any issues. But overall, you guys, I have been obsessed with this bag. I use this damn near every single day. Love the look of this. I love the functionality of this bag. I love the style. This This is one of my favorite. Actually, let me just say it right now. This is currently my favorite bag from Songmont that they sell. I love this bag so much. It's exactly what I wanted. Like, I feel like it really ticks the box on a few different styles that I have been wanting. So it like scratches the itch, if you know what I mean. If you have been in the market for one of these bags, I would highly recommend it. Of course, check it out on yourself. Do your own research to see which of the YORE bag you think would suit you and your style and your lifestyle the best. But I love this. I think this is one of Songmont's best bags. Would highly recommend, and I do not think that $435 is absurdly expensive for this bag. I think it's totally fine. But you guys, that has been my 3-month review on my Songmont mini YORE duffel bag. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. Let me know if you have this bag as well, or let me know if you are in the market for this bag, or if you were thinking about it, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!